Hello, welcome to Gotham Sound TV. My name is Nate. Now let's go over the record settings on the Deity Theos transmitters.
In the record menu on the DBTX, you have the option of 24 or 32-bit float. 32-bit float has a higher dynamic range, which can yield cleaner audio, but will make the file size slightly larger. The US model of this transmitter is unable to record while transmitting a signal. So, once a recording has begun, any signal being sent out of this device will stop.
Because of this, it's important to note when you're recording.
Option 1 is always. This means the device will be recording the entire time it is powered on. Option 2 is manually, meaning the recording needs to be started on the DBTX by hitting the down arrow on the main screen. The third option is by timecode sync, meaning whenever a DD device in the same timecode pool, either a TC1 or another DBX hits sync, all devices in that pool will begin recording. To stop a recording started in timecode sync, however, you will need to stop each device separately, or in the Sidus Audio app.
Thanks for learning about your recording options for the Deity Theos DBTX here on GothamSound.tv. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more videos like this.